So, welcome back everybody to another installment in the Mini BBQ series. You're probably wondering, butter, white bread, sliced cheese, you know those ingredients. Yes, I'm going to be trying to cook a grilled cheese sandwich on the Mini BBQ today. I have no idea how it's going to turn out. So that's why I'm keeping it nice and simple today. And let's prep this sandwich and get it on the Mini BBQ. And wish me luck, people. I hope it works because I love grilled cheese. So we're outside Mini BBQ again, and let's just throw it on and see what happens. Like I said, people, wish me luck because as you can see, it's smoking quite a bit because that's all the butter that's dropping right onto the charcoals. I don't want to let it burn, but I got to be careful. Okay. I'm going to have to really watch this because it's coming, and I think it's going to hit that point of no return real fast. So, yeah. Here we go. Like I said, it's going fast. Nice color. There we go. A little dark on the edges there, but still acceptable. So give it another flip here. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's actually looking really good, people. So I flipped it just one more time. I think it's almost done. Trying not to embarrass myself here, but yeah, that's what happens when you experiment with things. You sometimes fail, sometimes you win. The times you fail, you just know what you do and change it. Look at that. That looks good. A little dark, but it's still good. You hear that? Nice and crunchy crust. Thank you to the charcoal grill. So I'm going to cut it now and oh, cheese is nice and melted. Time to take a bite. So there you have it. We got some cheese melting there. Lovely. Oh yeah, that's so good. The crust is so crunchy. That cheese is nice and melted. Oh yeah, that is a winner, people. Oh, I love this. I could do it every day, all day. So people, I'm not gonna lie, I was a little nervous with that one because I wasn't sure that heat was gonna get through the sandwich enough to melt the cheese, but it worked. So cheese was very nicely melted and tasted great. That crunch, oh yeah, that was very good. A little trickier than normal, But you know, that's the fun of cooking on the mini barbecue. You never know what you're gonna get. This time, another win, so I'll take that. So again, people, thanks for watching. Leave me your comments. I'd love to know what you think of this little mini series. So yeah, leave me comments, and if you like the video, give that thing a like. So till the next one, happy eating, people.